Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you fixed Windows Media Foundation related issues on Linux in games using Proton. The easiest way is to use a custom version of Proton made by Glorious Eggroll. You can download a vast number of custom Proton versions from his GitHub page, the link can be found in the video description. Go over to releases and download one or more of the provided packages and extract them to your home folder at .steam/root/compatibilitytools.d. If the folder does not exist, create it. Now restart Steam if it is already running. In the game settings, you should now be able to select a custom Proton version sharing the same name as the extracted folder. In this case, Proton 5.6 GE2. Hit close and launch your game. If your Media Foundation issues are solved, you're good to go. If not, continue with the second method. mfinstall and mfinstallcap. This method did not work for me in the combination with a custom Proton build, so I advise to switch back to any default version of Proton. Download mfinstall and mfinstallcap from the links in the video description. Open up a terminal in the folder where you have downloaded both repositories and enter mfinstall using cd mfinstall. Now we need to find out where our Proton prefix is located. In order to do so, go to your game in Steam, Properties, Local Files, Browse Local Files. Then move back to Steam and open up the Steam store page of your game to find out its app ID. If you do not have the URL bar enabled in Steam, you can of course search for your game using your favorite browser, or enable the store URL in the Steam client settings. You can do so by going to Steam, Settings, Interface, Display Steam URL address bar when available. Copy the app ID of your game and move over to your file browser with the opened game files and move 2 folders up until you're inside the Steam apps folder. There, navigate to compatdata and open up the folder sharing the same name as your game's app ID, and inside it enter pfx. If there are no such folders, create them. Copy the folder path and move over to your terminal. Inside the terminal you write export WINEPREFIX equals and enter in quotes your prefix path like shown in the video and hit enter. Now enter export WINEARCH Win64 even if you want to run a 32-bit game. Also add export Proton as shown in the video. We need this for the mfinstall script. Now you enter mfinstall.sh-proton and wait for the script to finish its work. The next step is to enter the mfinstallcap folder. You can do so by enter cd:/mfinstallcap, assuming you have both tools extracted or cloned to the same folder. Inside this folder you run /installmf64.sh and wait for the script to finish too. If you got prompt to install WineMono, hit cancel, we do not need it. If you encounter Python errors, you're probably gonna need to A. install Python 2 on your system, or B. since Python 2 is deprecated, you can change the content of the install.mf64sh file using your favorite text editor to use Python 3 instead of Python 2. After the script is done, copy the shipped mf-plug.dll from the mfinstallcap folder to the folder where the main exe of your game is located. Now you should be able to launch your game with the working cutscenes. Enjoy gaming!